Check out this pre-owned boat on sale, now at Jerry Whittle Boats. Family owned and operated for over 50 years. We aren't shy about doing business on a handshake and take great pride in our personal service. Exclusive to Jerry Whittle Boats, all pre-owned boats come with a worry-free 6-month mechanical warranty. All pre-owned boats also include a comprehensive sea trial. So before any documents are signed, we make sure you're 100% satisfied with your boat on the water. Whether you're a first-time boat owner or a seasoned pro, our technicians will make sure you're comfortable with all aspects of operating your new boat.